Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am here at the messy desk and we are going to make a palm tree charm using an ornament hanger from, these ones were from Dollar General and I'm just bending it straight. Dun, 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 dun. And I am going to add this little red ball to the bottom. Okay, this is going to help keep my tree from falling down the... Okay. So we have our little... That's our little red ball. That's our stopper. Okay. And then we've got these beads that I got on, they came on these garlands I got these at the Goodwill, but you'll find wood garlands at some of your stores out there and you can take them apart, or you might already have some wood beads. Okay, so that is, I want to use 4. See if I can make this smaller. Okay, and then up here we will need a charm piece. Okay, so next we are going to take another of the little ornament hangers, and I'm going to put it through. I'm going to start my little circle, put it through the other one so that they are together. Now, if you have a larger ornament hanger, you might be able to just, continue this. You might even be able to do this with a paper clip. I don't know. The thing about the ornament hangers is they are really easy to work with. Okay, so next we're going to cut some of these right around. I want a 2-inch one and a 1 3/4. Wow, I have no strength in my hand today. And maybe another 2-inch one. Okay. So we're going to come in just like we did with the when we made our holly, and we're going to take our pine and wrap it around itself. And this first one is going right around where those 2 pieces came together, where we joined them together. I think this might be kind of fun because it might make your palm tree a little wiggly. So our second one, I'm going to do it right on top of the other one. Okay, so it's separate, but right on top. Okay. But I want them close together. Okay, and then our third one, I want a longer third one. So 2.5 inches, I think, for the third one. So 2 that are 2 inches and 1 that is 2.5 is what I'm going to do. And this one, I want to put the 2 together. So I'm going to come around both of them. Okay. go. Kind of looks like a palm tree. I think it's really kind of cool. Maybe we put this one down. Play with your palm fronds. Get the look that you want. And then for where your coconuts would be, I thought it might be kind of fun to have holly berries. So just do 3 holly berries. And of course you could attach the oak. Those two are stuck together. I don't want. You can put these on a separate wire if you want to and attach them or sew them on or okay. I'm gonna, you know what? I think the putting them on a separate wire is a good idea. I'm gonna go ahead and make this. So, just so you know, I had this idea, and I'm supposed to be on my way to Ojai right now to go help my mom with something, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it, make this video right now. But I haven't made one yet. I mean, just making. I just came up with the idea while we were making today's video. I was like, oh, I can make a palm tree. It just happens that I'm working on the beachy Christmas, and my favorite part of making journals and making the videos is coming up with the ideas that might be a little different. Might be. Probably a little different. So, I can't get it to go in the where I want it to go. Oh well, I'll move it. Okay, so let's go in, try and get these two to come together. Okay, so the one thing I do not like, after all, is the red bead on the bottom. I mean, like, I really don't like the red bead on the bottom. But something has to be down here to stop this from falling off. Much better. Okay, so there is our little palm tree, and you could decorate it. You could, you know, make it look like Christmas, maybe with some of like this gold twiny stuff, and then add some beads to it that might look like Christmas lights. So anyway, that is my little palm tree decoration. This could be like a tassel-y little bead charm. Let's get it a bulb pin. Little bulb pin. Okay. So, and then it could just attach. Of course, you could hang more down from the bottom. We have our little, and it could become a bead dangle. Add a shell in there. Where's my... Wish me luck on this. I gotta see if I can make these go through the holes. These are from one of those Hawaiian, the little shell necklaces. And see if we can get... If it doesn't go through this, it might go through... Might just start with this wire because it's a little thinner. Yeah, that one doesn't want to... I don't want to take the time to... Sorry. This one will. Okay. I think we'll go ahead and twist it off. And then add the little shell. To the bottom. So that just gives us a little addition of a little shell at the bottom of our palm tree, making it a very beachy little Christmas. And maybe we can add a little shell here also to the heart. That's a pretty shell. Okay. This one hangs this way. I want it on this one because this one hangs this way. Okay. We could just hang it with the heart on the paper clip. Turning it and having it come back around and through the paper clip. I have other beachy paper clips and things that are on my channel, so that just gives us a little bit more to dangle, and adding a shell I think is kind of fun. So there you go, we have a palm tree and the beachy shell with the heart that I think we can use in the beachy themed journal. So we do have this one also, and it looks like it has a hole here. We'll try it real quick, just in case you have one of these necklaces hanging around. Yeah, there you go. Hanging around. You'd have a necklace hanging around. And maybe you have a beachy little project that you wanna do. I think I want it to go closer to the shell, so it's okay. And then we can add the little red bead. A brown bead too big. It's going to break off. There we go. So that gives us another little shell. It can have its own kind of like it with the bead. Okay, so there you go. Some beachy Christmas charms and paper clips to use in my beachy Santa. Where is he? He's just about ready to get put together. Beachy Santa or the beachy palm tree journals. So coming soon. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here. Which one's your favorite? I like them all. So there is our little palm tree with the shell on the bottom. There's our heart and the holly with the shell. And then we have just the little shell with the little bead. Have a great day. Bye.